We guide you through how to get your Telegram ID in 2026 in just 2 minutes. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Telegram app and tap the search icon at the top. Type at user info bot and select verified bot from the results. Tap start at the bottom of the screen and instantly the bot will display your account details including your numeric user ID and chat ID. That number shown is your personal ID. If you need a group chat ID instead, open your Telegram group, tap the group name at the top, select add members, and add at user phobot to the group. After adding it, go back to the group chat and tap start on the bot message, and it will generate the group chat ID automatically, and you can now copy the number and use it for bots integrations or API connections.